Hi everyone, my name is Riccardo and I'm here to demonstrate to you some possible usage of Gemini CLI. Since Gemini CLI is able to read the file system in your computer, an interesting use case could be read a local SQLite file. I actually created a little Gemini.md, which is the configuration of Gemini CLI to create actually the database already. So the database has already been created. It's a baby database. And I will just chit chat with him and say, hey, do you see a database here? There are 3 databases in the folder, so I would expect him to say, yes, events and people. This is the one that I just created. What do you see? Now he will use local SQLite commands and politely will say, can I do a SQLite name of the file dot tables? Yeah, why not? Knock yourself out. He found 3 tables, and now he's looking for the schema as well. So now he knows the schema and everything. Wow. Okay. Love it. Create, please, a markdown and put the schema, a couple of sample lines, and a mermaid graph of the ER diagram. Mermaid is one of those few JavaScript tools, packages that is supported by GitHub. So you can actually put it in a README and the README will show you the final graph, which is something I pretty much love. And here we have these events and people. So this has been created right now. Look how beautiful it is. Sample data and ER diagram. How cool is that? So with the ER diagram, we can actually check as human beings that the database was correctly created. So let's say that I have people with name, email. What is the surname? And that's something I really love about Gemini CLI. You can actually get code and data in a single thing. So let me try this out. I see that users is missing the surname. Please add surname and then rerun everything. So he will figure out that there is a field missing. He will change the SQL. He will re-execute the bash script to regenerate the SQL. So the SQLite should change. And then, of course, Alice Smith and Bob Jones. And he has done everything already. Look at that. So remember, he has done like 5 different things. This is something I really love. So we are changing both the data and the database and the schema README all at the same time. And let's see, maybe there is a bug. Maybe the script now fails. And the beauty is that the feedback loop is enabled, so the system will be able to figure it out by just seeing the output. Looks like everything is all right. Fantastic. Git commit and push, please. Let's see. Add surname to people table. Bingo! And this thing has been committed to GitHub, so anybody can see the changes right now. Thanks for listening, and thank you, Gemini CLI.